Like outside over the capital city, you can see those clouds hanging low, 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 low. Let's check in with ABC6 Storm Tracker meteorologist Kelly Bates. She's got your first forecast. Hey, Kelly.
Hello, my friend. And yeah, we've got some patchy fog out here as well. That's clouds that are essentially sitting at the ground level. So that's what we have going on across southern New England in addition to the rain. It's going to be a slow commute. I would bank on it, not only because we have some patchy fog out here, but we do have some areas of locally heavy rain that's causing for extensive ponding on the road surfaces. So it is going to be a slow commute, certainly the potential for a slippery one too. Visibility is already down to a mile at TF Green, a mile and 3/4 in Newport. Now our temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s and they're likely going to hold here as we go through the day. We may see about 2 to 3 degrees of, well, improvement in the afternoon, but that's going to be about it. And we have already seen a whole lot of rain. Take a look down toward Westerly, over 3 inches of rain already in the bucket there. And locally here in Providence, just about 1.5 inches has fallen. Now, we do have a flood warning that has been issued for a portion of southern New England, basically areas surrounding the bay. And this is in effect through 9:30 this morning. Flooding is occurring in these areas, and it applies not only to the roads, but also local rivers and streams are filling kind of rapidly. And also, if you have a basement that is prone to flooding, this is the kind of situation that could put it into that situation. So here's the deal. We have rain that's moving through. It was an area of thunderstorms earlier in Newport. But this is going to be through our early commute. These bands of locally heavy rain will be popping up. In fact, we got a new one that is about halfway through the coast of South County, affecting Narragansett now as well. So this is all tied to a coastal storm. As long as the coastal storm is here, this is what we have to deal with. And it will be moving away, but just really slowly. It's going to take the whole day to get this done. And that's why we're expecting basically a gray day with rounds of rain moving through, not only through the early commute, but the late commute as well. Overnight tonight, we start to shut down the rain, and then we have a good deal of cloudiness that'll be with us through Friday, mixing with the sun occasionally. Warmer temperatures will be here too. We'll likely top in the lower 70s. And then as we look to the weekend, we're going to watch for the approach of a front from the west. All the clouds are going to keep the weekend temperatures cooler. We do have a slight chance of a shower on Saturday night, but on the whole, our weekend chances of rain is actually really low. So how much more do we have to go through? Well, we've got about another inch expected, even more as we look over towards Bristol County, Mass, an inch plus expected there. So it is going to be a rather gray day today. But once we get by today, we're going to drop our rain chances, not only for tomorrow, but even as we look to the weekend. Sure, the chance is there, but it's really slight and odds are against it. So with all of that said, it's going to be cloudy with rain, tapering to showers from time to time. And of course, at other times, it's going to come back and it will be locally heavy at times. Chance of a showers, and then we're going to basically cease the rain during the overnight. Lows will be around 52. And our extended forecast shows that we go to a mix of sun and clouds for your Friday and highs return to 70. Well, 71. How about that, Cara?